Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another awesome cooking slash organizing vlog. This is a continuation of my previous video, my last video. If you watch that video, you would know that this is exactly what I was wearing when I ended that video. So I'm just continuing. I was supposed to be cooking. I told you guys that I would be cooking in that video. However, I ended up not cooking because when I came back from my grocery and my other shopping, husband man was already in the kitchen trying to prepare his famous signature Vincentian dish. It is yummy. It's one of my favorite Vincentian dish. So he's trying to make that and he's going to be teaching his son as well, handing down the skill to his son on how to prepare this dish. Have you ever eaten green bananas before? If you have never eaten green bananas, nor this particular dish that my husband is going to make in this video, you're missing a lot, especially if you love Caribbean food. So stay glued, stay tuned, and watch to the end. Remember, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, this is a good opportunity for you to subscribe and turn on your post notification. That way you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I post video on a regular basis every week, and also I make content on food, family lifestyle, vlog, and just in general every other thing in between. In general, I live in Ontario, Canada. We're a family of 5. So stay tuned. You're going to enjoy this channel if you're yet to subscribe. So husbandman is in the kitchen trying to, organize and clean up after himself because most of the time when he cook, which is one in 10 days, I don't know. All I know is that he doesn't cook very often. But when he cooks, he leaves a lot of mess. So he's trying to clean up as much as he can. At the end, I'll still have to clean up because when he even as he's trying to clean up as he's cooking, when he finishes, everywhere is also a mess. But anyways, he is trying to catch up. That's what I'm going to say here. Enjoy the vlog. Remember, give this video a massive, massive thumbs up. It does not take you anything to give me a thumbs up, and it means the whole world to me. You know what it means? You know what it means? When you give this video a thumbs up, YouTube will recommend this video to people like you who love similar videos. And it does a lot of things for the channel. Number one is going to be the video and the channel will be exposed to more people who like similar video like you, which means that my channel will grow. Okay, and number two, it tells me that you guys love this kind of vlog or this kind of video, so that I will continue to make this kind of video. It's an encouragement. Okay, all right.
天色已昏暗，看时间已遥远，愁绪凝结在眉宇间，风吹散，重聚剪不断。数不清多少事，孤灯下人思绪飘散，留不住多少人，寂寞时回忆不断。啊啊啊啊啊啊啊
So while hubby was making the stew for the chicken, I will show you guys that in a minute. His son, he's trying to teach him how to peel the green bananas. The green banana is not the easiest to peel. It's not the same as peeling ripe bananas. So he's just showing him the techniques that he needs to use to peel the green banana, and also to make sure that it doesn't stain his clothes, because he said once it stains your clothes, it's hard to wash out. So just be mindful of that, in case if you've never handled green banana and you're doing it for the first time. There's water. As you're peeling it, you're putting it into the water so that it prevents it from browning, because this thing can brown so easily, it can turn black so easily. And also it's like you rub oil in your hand so that it doesn't stick to your hand. It's more like a glue so that it doesn't glue to your hand. And as you can see him, he's trying to peel off the outside. um there's some things that you need to just slice off or slide off from the bananas. According to him, I think he said that if you leave that thing on, it doesn't taste very good. And what he's doing here, he's trying to brown some sugar, caramelize some sugar. Okay, unfortunately I couldn't catch before he started adding the chicken. I was just, this was the only part that I could find. However, we have another video, a video he made previously, I think about 3 years ago. I will put that video, I will link that video in the cards. No, I will link that video towards the end so you can watch that video, in case if you're interested in learning how to make this dish. It is very delicious. If you have never cooked chicken with sugar before, okay, you need to try this one because it's very good. So what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to put the rice. I have three different types of rice. Basmati rice, it's not the popular one that we eat. And then I have jasmine rice, which we're almost running out of. And the one we eat the most is the parboiled rice, which is there. So I've added it. When I bought this container, I bought four. When I came back, as I was washing it, I discovered that two of them was broken. I didn't check it in the store. One was manageable, the other one was completely not manageable, so I had to throw that one out. I didn't have the energy to go back and start, talking story, so I just threw that one out, and I'm going to replace it some other time. But this is the banana. It's almost done. He's almost done with the cooking. This is the banana itself. I'm going to bring you guys closer so you can see what it looks like. And then he also made dumpling, his favorite dumpling. Okay, and white rice, and then the chicken itself. So this is what the dumpling looks like, and the bananas, and the main thing, the chicken, you see, is called brown stew chicken. Okay, you brown the the sugar before you pour seasoned chicken. Oh, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Ciao.